Hello everyone, today we are going to cook a tiramisu recipe with my sister Paulina. We need sugar, cookies, mascarpone cheese, 2 eggs and powdered chocolate.
And the tools are the spring beater for the eggs, this to separate the yolk of the white, 2 bowls for the mixes, a crusher, and this to make the snow point, and finally this glass for the presentation.
The first attempt to break the egg went wrong. And we use it to make a tortilla.
A few moments later.
We found this tip on TikTok. You can use the eggshell to separate the yolk from the white. It's very easy. Open the egg and go from side to side while the yolk stays in the shell and the white falls into a ball.
Later, we broke some dinosaurs cookies and we put them in a crusher.
We added a spoonful of sugar and a little bit more to sweeten.
Meanwhile, I was scrambling the white until snow point.
To check that it was fine, we make sure that it didn't fall in Juan José's hair.
To continue, we stirred the yolk.
Now we introduced the mascarpone cheese and put together the mixes of yolks and white.
Here, we were beating everything.
Finally, my favorite part, that is make the presentation. That consisted in insert the mix in one glass and make layers alternating with cookies dust.
Furthermore, add a pinch of powdered chocolate.
Try it and enjoy! It was delicious!
If you want, you can add some chocolate or another thing to decorate too.
Here you have the recipe and you can make a screenshot and cook it whenever you want. Thanks for watching! Mwah.
Bye bye.
Bye!